We signed our 6-year-old daughter and I up for a Balinese cooking class while we were in Ubud. And honestly, we weren't sure how this was going to go. Cooking classes sound fun in theory, but with kids, they can go either way. So this video is our honest experience doing a cooking class in Bali with a 6-year-old. What worked, what was hard, and whether we'd actually recommend it to other families.
Hello.
Hello, we're walking again.
Yay, another walk.
Love Google Maps here.
Go through this alley.
Main road and then down an alley.
Bye-bye.
Don't fall off the cliff. Just a couple cliffs here and there, no big deal.
Yep. We're doing our classic after Kev works. We go get second breakfast
Yep.
before we really start our day.
The breakfast isn't big enough.
No.
I'm a big American. I've got a big belly.
Are you going to do a cooking class?
What?
Right.
And we're gonna cook grilled cheese and, oh. Do you think that's right?
Balinese.
Oh, Balinese, but that probably makes sense. There are a lot of cooking classes you can book in Bali, but the Pemulan Cooking School just kind of stood out to us. It was a mix of the location, getting to pick vegetables straight from their farm, and honestly, the really good reviews we found online. We decided to make this a father-daughter experience, partly because someone had to wrangle the younger one, and partly because I'm the only one that actually enjoys cooking. That said, we were still pretty nervous doing this with a 6-year-old, because we really weren't sure she could focus for the entire experience. And also because, knives, fire, hot pans, yeah, those two. But after a quick explanation to the group and an orientation, we were off.
Good job. You don't want one? Oh,
I don't want one.
thank you. You don't want one? You don't want to try? No, okay, thank you. You were daddy's. Jill. What's your name? Piper. You have to do it. You're part of it. You're cooking.
So this was about the moment we realized that she was probably going to be okay. Watching how excited she was to pick out the vegetables and suit up in her little cooking apron made it pretty clear she was into it. The farm tour actually helped a lot, and it made the whole experience feel a lot more personal since we were choosing exactly what would end up in our dishes.
Okay.
3 more, Parks.
You can take the first one.
Don't take a dirty one.
Don't.
Okay, baby. It's okay if you get dirty. We can wash your hands, okay? I'm gonna hold the desk. Let's see it, boo. Ooh, nice dark one, huh?
I'm gonna have to wash off everything anyways.
Yeah.
2 more.
smells like drink. I put in.
What you? Lemongrass? Not yet. How about you?
No, it smells like.
Mom, I don't like it. One. Mom, I don't like it.
So this is the Kerty lime leaf. Kerty lime leaves.
It's gonna be hurt good.
Once we started cooking though, well, it was honestly a lot harder than I expected. Grinding the spices and coconut took some real effort, and Parker definitely needed help here and there. Thankfully for us, the chef was amazing and helped us keep pace with the rest of the group. I will say though, if she were any younger, I don't think this would have been nearly as enjoyable.
Good job.
I do that small as well.
No what?
What really surprised me was Parker's taste testing. Every time we were asked what else we needed to add, she absolutely nailed it. And hey, maybe she got a future in this. That said, this experience does require patience. And if the idea of your kid handling a knife makes your eye twitch, you know, you might want to skip this one.
Next word, salt, pepper enough.
Yeah?
More salt, pepper?
Yeah.
What you need more?
Look.
Of what?
Salt or pepper?
Salt?
A little salt?
Some pepper.
Oh, you like spicy?
Can I push?
Oh, just finish. You gotta be the taste tester.
Is it good?
You wanna try another taste?
When it's enough, let me taste, you can taste.
Good?
What are you guys making?
We're making sweet and sour tempeh.
Ooh, sweet and sour.
Assam
So
is
good.
means sour and manis, manis is
It,
means
wait, the paper stuff kind of dissolves off it.
Yeah, it's cooking.
Cool.
And Parker,
Yeah, it is.
Parker got the right seasonings
enough.
needed.
You can taste
Oh,
it, right?
good.
Salt and lime.
Nice.
So at the end of this, would I do this again with a 6-year-old? Yes. But honestly, probably only with my 6-year-old. I mean, every kid is different, and I can definitely see how this wouldn't be everyone's first choice. And again, you know, knives and fire, it's probably just not for everyone. But if you have a kid who's even remotely interested in cooking, and you've got the patience and, you know, nerves to take it on, I'd absolutely recommend this experience. No, she did it.
How is it?
Really good.
Yeah, good. Yeah, baby.
I can that.
Yeah, you want more?
Want another one?
Okay.